Can you really stop a hiccup instantly by holding your breath and drinking water upside down? Okay, chat, I'm gonna set the scene. I've got a glass of water and some hiccups. Make your anxiety super low. Right? My mod Jace is here to count. So Jace, ready? Alright, I'm holding my breath, bending down, drinking from the far side. Careful not to drown for the content. Let's go. Okay, full sip, not choking. Mission success. Now, did my hiccups stop or weird flights? But I think they actually did for a second, not even capping. But then wait for it, hiccups central returns like lagging ranked last night. Got it, busted. Holding your breath, plus upside down sipping might distract you for a sec, but those hiccups are absolutely not wiped from the server. Drink water normally, protect the keyboard, stay hydrated, and don't trust every TikTok